Speed through framing, trim, and decking with confidence using a durable, high-performance tool built for pros and DIYers alike. Best electric nail gun delivers cordless power, consistent drive, adjustable depth, brushless motor efficiency, rapid fire, and ergonomic balance for everyone. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WEN 20V Nail Gun. The WEN 20V nail gun is a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for cordless efficiency. Designed to shoot 18-gauge brads ranging from 3/4 to 2 inches, it provides versatility for trim work, cabinetry, and small woodworking projects. Its cordless design eliminates the need for an air hose or compressor, giving you freedom of movement while maintaining consistent nail drive. The tool features a smart LED indicator that helps you track battery status, magazine fill, and tool temperature, keeping your work on track without interruptions. Its Easy Load magazine holds up to 100 nails, while the supplied 400 brad nails ensure you can start working immediately. Ergonomically designed for comfort during extended use, the WEN nail gun also emphasizes maintenance safety. Cleaning involves wiping with a damp cloth and mild soap, blowing away dust with compressed air, and carefully using non-flammable solutions on the exterior without soaking the tool to protect internal components. Overall, the WEN 20V nail gun delivers dependable performance, portability, and user-friendly operation, making it a practical choice for anyone seeking a high-quality cordless nailer for home improvement, furniture assembly, or detailed woodworking tasks. Number 2. Funnywhale 18-gauge nail gun. The Funnywhale 18-gauge nail gun is a versatile, battery-powered tool that excels in efficiency and safety. Compatible with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, sold separately, this brad nailer operates without cords, allowing unrestricted mobility for projects around the workshop or home. Its brushless motor ensures longer life and consistent performance, while protecting against overheating, overload, and low voltage. The safety-conscious design features a dual protection mechanism with switch and contact safety, preventing accidental firing. This 2-in-1 tool drives both 18GA brad nails, 5/8 to 1 1/4 inch, and narrow crown staples, 2/5 to 1 inch with ease, firing up to 2 nails per second for rapid completion of tasks. Lightweight and ergonomic, it is comfortable to use during extended projects and includes a tool-free jam release system for fast clearing of misfed nails. The nailer also features a selectable trigger with sequential and contact actuation modes, offering precision and flexibility for a variety of woodworking, home improvement, and DIY applications. Number 3. SEESII 2.0 AW Battery Nail Gun. The SEESII 2.0 AW Battery Nail Gun is a 2-in-1 solution designed for brad nails and staples, ideal for upholstery, woodworking, and home DIY projects. This versatile cordless tool allows users to switch effortlessly between brad nails 15 to 32 mm and staples 15 to 25 mm, saving time and eliminating the need for multiple tools. Its jam-free design ensures uninterrupted workflow, with a tool-free magazine release that clears nail jams quickly. Powered by two 2000 mAh batteries and a 1-hour quick charger, the SEESII nail gun provides extended runtime, driving up to 2,000 nails per charge. Adjustable nailing depth enables precise, damage-free work, while the tool-free trigger selection allows users to switch between sequential and contact modes according to the project needs. Safety is a priority, with a contact safety pen that ensures nails only fire when the nozzle is pressed firmly against the workpiece, minimizing accidental shots. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to handle, this battery-powered nail gun is suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Number 4. NEU MASTER 20V Nail Gun. The NEU MASTER 20V nail gun provides cordless convenience and versatile performance for home improvement and woodworking projects. Its spiral-driven technology ensures reliable brad and staple driving without being tethered to cords, giving users freedom to work anywhere. The 2-in-1 design drives 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 to 1¼ inch and 1/4 narrow crown staples from 5/8 to 1 inch, making it suitable for thin trim work, upholstery, DIY projects, and furniture assembly. Safety is a top priority, with a contact safety design that requires full depression against the working surface to prevent accidental firing. The tool also features LED indicators and a safety lock to enhance controlled operation. The NEU MASTER nail gun is equipped with efficient battery technology, including a 2.0H battery and upgraded 2.4A charger that ensures quick charging and sustained performance. With the capacity to drive up to 2,000 nails per charge, productivity is enhanced on large or extended projects. Number 5. Heimerdinger 18V Battery Nail Gun. The Heimerdinger 18V Battery Nail Gun is a versatile, cordless tool built for efficiency and precision in a variety of projects. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries sold separately, it eliminates the hassle of cords and allows users to work freely across different environments. This 2-in-1 brad nailer and staple gun drives 18-gauge brad nails 3/4 to 2 and crown staples 3/4 to 1 1/16 with ease, accommodating up to 1,200 nails per session. Its adjustable nailing depth and dual firing modes, single and contact, provide flexibility for high-intensity or delicate tasks. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, while the dual safety mechanisms, including an on-off switch and contact safety device, prevent accidental shots by requiring proper contact with the work surface. Lightweight yet durable, the Heimerdinger nail gun is suitable for heavy-duty roofing, furniture assembly, light upholstery, and general woodworking projects. Its combination of cordless convenience, safety features, and performance versatility makes it an ideal tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable nail gun that can handle a wide range of tasks efficiently and safely. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.